Hi everybody, and welcome to Physics 102. Welcome. My name is Paul Wallace, and I will be your instructor for the whole year. So we have a lot to look forward to. But for this fall, at least, for this semester, we're going to be online, as you all know. And so I'll be coming to you from here. I'm in a studio in the ground floor of McCain Library, and I'm recording this little welcome video for you, and I'll also be recording the main content of the course, the lectures from this room. Okay? What that means is that lectures will not be synchronous. I've already communicated this to you by email, and so lectures will not be synchronous. They're going to be delivered weekly to you through Canvas, of course. And let's see. There are going to be some meetings during class time. You are not required to attend all of those. You are required to attend half of those. And I will say more about all of this when we meet on Friday. But this is just to welcome you to the class, to let you know who I am. Again, the name is Paul Wallace, and a little bit about me. Let's see, I've been here at Agnes Scott for 8.5 years now, and I love it. I love the students here. Let's see, I have a family. I have 3 kids. I have a little girl who just started middle school today in her bedroom with bare feet, and so she's doing online school. Middle school, I've got an 18-year-old just graduated from high school. I've got a 20-year-old at Georgia Tech. So I've got a family. I've got a wife who's a nurse at St. Joseph's Hospital, part of the Emory Beast. And so that's me and my family. We also have a cat, and we have a hamster, and we have a bearded lizard as well. So we have some animals in our house too. And you may be hearing about some of those animals as the semester goes on. So that's just a little bit about me. I could say more. I do love physics. I love astrophysics in particular. That's kind of my first love. And I love teaching physics. And I hope my goal for you, and now let me just say this. I know many of you really, when you hear physics, you don't just light up. Fair enough. I get that. But I want you to give it a shot. I want you to give it a chance. And my only goal is that by the end of this year, you will not hate physics. In fact, some of you might even like it. Okay, and if some of you were to go from being indifferent or hating it to liking it, then I would feel like my job is done here. Okay, so my goal is to help you love physics. It's kind of an acquired taste. Like black coffee or something. Okay, it's strong, but it's satisfying. And you're going to have to work. Turns out, you're going to have to work. Let me see what else I need to say here. The lectures I do the lectures. The lab part of the course is covered by Professor Hannah Marine, and she will be talking to us on Friday, also introducing herself and saying a little bit about labs. A little bit about physics. It gets started with Galileo. I've heard of Galileo, and I didn't really get started with him, but physics in the modern sense of the word got started with Galileo. Okay? About 400 years ago, maybe 410 years ago or so. Maybe a little before that, but he was really not the first physicist, but he was the first physicist in the modern sense. And do you know what I mean when I say physics in the modern sense? What I mean by that is something very particular. What Galileo did, and you'll be very grateful for this, I can feel the gratitude coming through the internet right now from you. The thing that Galileo did that you should be grateful for is he was one of the first to really connect physics, that is the science of the natural, sort of the study of the natural world, with math. And that's where your gratitude comes in, right? Math. He realized more clearly than anybody before him that physics, that is the science of of motion and energy and so forth, and mathematics, until you brought those two things together, it never really got off the ground. So I say this only to say that physics has a lot of math in it. Okay? And we're going to be talking a lot about math. You're not expected to know a whole lot of math. You're expected to know no more than basic high school algebra and trigonometry. Little bits of trigonometry. Not all of it, just little bits of it, sine and cosine, things like that. We'll be reviewing some of that, but some of it we're not going to be reviewing. And so we'll be on the lookout here at the beginning, the first 4 to 5 weeks, on getting your math skills back up to sort of to the level, not for all of you, but for many of you. So there's a lot of math. So I'm just going to tell you that up front and not sell you something that misrepresent this subject. There's a lot of math in it, and so that's coming up too. Anything else to say? No, I'm going to skip some of this stuff. I don't want this welcome video to go on forever, but I do want you to know that each one of you is important to me. Your learning is important to me, and I'm excited about the year despite doing it in this weird way. I'm excited about the upcoming semester, and I look forward to working with each and every one of you as you become better and better at physics. By the way, I should also say here at the end that physics is mind-blowing. It's fun. You will not always think that. But when you get a problem right, when you understand something for the first time, you will agree with me. It is fun. I look forward to the semester. I look forward to getting to know each one of you and helping you along your road towards graduation and the world beyond. See y'all. Bye.